Hi everyone! Today we're checking out the JueRum electric cheese grater, a 2025 upgrade that makes meal prep effortless. This powerful kitchen helper features 3 changeable 430 stainless steel blades for slicing, shredding, and grating cheese, veggies, fruits, and nuts with ease. It handles a variety of cheeses like cheddar, mozzarella, parmesan, and more, saving you time and effort. The electric grater is designed with food-grade, BPA-free plastic and is easy to assemble, use, and clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Whether you want fine or coarse shredding, this versatile gadget has you covered. Plus, it comes with detailed instructions and responsive customer support for any questions. Make your cooking faster and more enjoyable with the JueRum electric cheese grater today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.